Namaste everyone, welcome to Amako Kitchen. Today Amma is making another yummy dessert called Barfi. For this recipe you will need 1.5 tablespoons of ghee, 180 grams of paneer, 400 milliliters of milk, 180 grams of sugar, 180 grams of milk powder, cashew nuts, dates and raisins, 1.5 teaspoons of cardamom powder. In a preheated pan we will need to add 1.5 tablespoons of ghee, then pour 400 milliliters of milk, stir for a little bit, then add 180 grams of paneer, For the remainder of the process, you will need to keep stirring the mixture in a medium heat. Shortly after, add 180 grams of milk powder and continue to stir. Slowly, the consistency of the mixture will become thicker. When the mixture looks somewhat like this, kind of like a fluffier version of scrambled eggs, add 180 grams of sugar or adjust as per your preference. Then after a few minutes, add 1.5 teaspoons of cardamom powder. Next, add cashew nuts, dates and raisins and stir. On a tray of your choice, apply some butter to the entire surface of the base. Lay over baking paper over the tray. The butter has been applied to help the baking paper stay stuck to the surface. Then pour over the barfi mix and spread it out evenly. Then cover the tray and store it in the fridge so that the mixture can solidify. Once ready, you can take it out and cut them into bite-sized pieces and devour them. So that's the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching this recipe, and if you haven't already done so, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!